Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this happened today. Thank you, Facebook Marketplace again. So this is a 2007 Honda Xr650l. This was about an hour and a half away from home. The rear tires are in good shape. The rear sprocket's in decent shape, as well as the chain. The tail light's not working, so we'll fix that. It's not leaking any fluids. The tank is in almost perfect shape, as well as the seat. The front tire has tons of tread on it, but it is a little weather cracked when you look between the treads. Just looking at it from the top, we're going to fix that, repaint that. We're going to get rid of this bag. We're going to refinish the whole entire exhaust system. So right now it's showing 14,495 kilometers, which is nothing on a Honda, especially being 14 years old. Again, there's the cracked mirror, but you can get those pretty cheap off Amazon. So we'll put some new ones on. So one of the first things I'm going to do is actually get rid of this little rear tail section bag there. I may end up putting another one on, but I certainly don't like the looks of that one. So the plan with this project is I want to get this looking as stock and as in new condition as I possibly can. It's going to be repainting the exhaust system, just cleaning up the plastics a little more. We're going to see if we can find, I believe there's a factory tail bag that goes right here. We're going to see if we can find one of those. We've got to replace the socket in the tail light. That's completely shot. We're going to repaint either the frame or touch it up. Any of the foot pegs that are rusted. But overall for the year, it's actually in pretty good shape. So just a little bit of cleaning up. I don't want to sink a whole lot of money into it. And we're going to order some new mirrors. Other than that, we'll get this thing looking nice and new. Mechanically, it works perfect. So cosmetically, just needs a little TLC. Again, for the being 14 years on an Enduro, it's actually in good shape. But if you're interested in this type of videos, you may want to subscribe. Again, I'll be doing lots of videos regarding the 07 Honda XR650l. So stay tuned.